While you're sleeping tonight, something incredible is going to happen. Your brain is going to run a deep cleaning cycle. Seriously.
It's designed to flush out the very same toxic proteins that are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Now, this isn't some kind of science fiction. It's a real stunning discovery about how your brain is built to heal itself every single night. And once you understand how it works, you can actually make it work better. So what is this system? Well, scientists have given it a name, the Glymphatic system. Honestly, you can just think of it as a dishwasher for your brain. It was only discovered back in 2012. And get this, just this year, in 2024, we were finally able to see it working in living human brains for the first time. It's this powerful built-in mechanism that's designed to protect your mind for the long haul. And here's what's truly remarkable. This entire cleaning system, it kicks into high gear while you sleep. We're talking up to 60% more active when you're in that deep restorative sleep compared to when you're awake. So the deeper and more natural your sleep is, the more powerful that cleaning becomes. But how does it make room to do all this cleaning? This part is just amazing. Your brain cells physically shrink by about 60%. Can you believe that? They actually contract to open up these wider channels, making it easier for a special cleaning fluid to wash through and carry away all the junk that builds up during the day. It is just a stunning piece of biological engineering happening inside your head every night. Okay, so that's the incredible science behind it. But here's the part you can actually control. This is the part that most people have absolutely no idea about. There is a simple, practical way to dramatically improve this whole process. And the solution? Well, it's right on your dinner plate. It turns out there are 3 common, really inexpensive foods that can give your brain the exact tools it needs to run this cleaning cycle at full power. We're not talking about expensive supplements here.
It's all about what you choose for your evening meal. And listen, this isn't some complicated diet. This is a meal that costs less than $4 and takes maybe 15 minutes to prepare. And while you're resting in your warm bed, your brain gets to work repairing itself. I'll even show you how one of these powerhouse foods costs just $1 a can. So before we get to building that perfect dinner plate, I think it's really important to understand exactly how this brainwashing works, because this is truly one of the most important discoveries in modern neuroscience, and it has a direct impact on your long-term health. It's a story that's unfolded really fast. It all started in 2012 when the system was first discovered. Then we jump to 2024 and we finally get to see it in action in people. And now brand new research is pinpointing the exact mechanism. These rhythmic brain waves during deep sleep create a gentle pumping action, pushing that cleaning fluid right through your brain tissue to carry away waste, including those amyloid plaques. And this leads to such a crucial point. Not all sleep is created equal. That same research found that common sleep aids, things like Zolpidem, can actually suppress those vital rhythmic brain waves. They might knock you out, but they can actually reduce the cleaning. Natural deep sleep, the kind you feel when you wake up in a peaceful room with warm golden light, that's what your brain is craving. And that's exactly where our 3 foods come in. All right, our first brain-repairing nutrient is a special amino acid you've probably heard of called tryptophan, and you'll find it in simple foods like eggs and turkey breast. I want you to just picture 2 golden scrambled eggs, maybe sizzling on a clean white plate. That right there is the start of a better night's sleep. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. Tryptophan is the raw material your brain uses to build first serotonin, which helps you feel calm, and then melatonin, the hormone that basically tells your body it's time for deep sleep. The more high-quality tryptophan you give it, the better this whole natural pathway works. And the research on this is crystal clear.
More dietary tryptophan helps you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up less during the night. Every single one of those benefits means more time spent in that deep restorative state where your brain can do its cleaning. Better sleep equals better brain cleaning. It is that direct. And what's more, it's so affordable. 2 large eggs packed with tryptophan will only set you back about 30 cents. See, this isn't about expensive health fads. It's about simple, powerful nutrition. Now, let's build on that foundation because the next food, well, it surprised even me. Okay, let's move on to our second key nutrient, omega-3s. These are the brain's essential fats. Think of a beautiful salmon fillet, all pink and glistening on a plate, or even better for our budget, a simple can of sardines. Now, this is a really critical point. Unlike tryptophan, which helps mostly by improving your sleep, some very recent research suggests omega-3s might play a more direct role. A 2023 review concluded that they may actually enhance the glymphatic system itself, helping it clear out that toxic amyloid waste more effectively. So why are they so important? Well, one specific omega-3 called DHA makes up about 40% of the fats in your brain. It's literally a building block for your brain cells. Without enough of it, your brain just can't function or repair itself the way it's supposed to. And here's that secret I promised you. While the fresh salmon fillet is fantastic, a humble can of sardines gives you a powerful dose of these same brain-building omega-3s for about $1. Just picture that little tin on your counter right next to a fresh lemon. It's one of the most cost-effective brain foods on the entire planet. This brings us to our third and final key nutrient, and honestly, it's the one that so many of us are missing: magnesium. You can think of it as the spark plug for deep sleep. You'll find it in foods like bananas, spinach, and pumpkin seeds.
Just imagine a bright yellow banana sitting right there on your kitchen counter. That's our next hero. Now, this is an alarming statistic. Nearly half of all older adults don't get enough magnesium from their diet. This widespread deficiency is directly tied to so many common sleep problems, which means it's also tied to poor brain cleaning night after night after night. So here's why this matters so much. Remember that tryptophan to melatonin pathway we talked about? Well, magnesium is the essential cofactor that makes it all happen. Without enough magnesium, that whole assembly line just breaks down. You can eat all the turkey in the world, but your brain can't build that critical sleep hormone without this vital mineral. Okay, so we've covered the 3 key nutrients. Now let's put it all together. Let's actually build the perfect dinner plate, one that's specifically designed to prepare your brain for its nightly deep clean. This is your simple, actionable plan for tonight. I want you to picture this on your table, a beautiful piece of baked salmon, pink and glistening. Next to it, a golden, steaming sweet potato. The carbs from that actually help shuttle the tryptophan into your brain. Then add a side of bright green spinach, maybe sautéed with a little sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for that vital magnesium. And for dessert, that banana we talked about, or even a small square of dark chocolate. Every single item is working together. Let this idea really sink in for a moment. What we've just put together is not a restrictive diet. It is a brain repair protocol disguised as a delicious, simple dinner. You're not just eating food, you are actively giving your brain the exact tools it needs to protect itself and to heal itself while you sleep. You know, over 1 year, that's 365 dinners, and each one is a choice. It's a chance to either support or undermine your brain's natural healing process. You can't change your age, but you absolutely can change what's on your plate. So tonight, the only question left is, what will you choose to feed your brain?